Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday the 16th of June 2017. So starting off with the pound, we had a sell signal just after the first hour or so, and then the market filled this, and we were then waiting for the news. You see the market move down there, and before the news came out, the scalp was hit. The market then traded sideways, waiting for other news, and then all of a sudden you will have seen this big spike which is there. And the reason for this was quite simple. Bank surprises with interest rate vote. 3 of the 8 members have said that they want to see interest rates increase because inflation's at 2.9%, and that was the reason why we saw this move. A bit of a surprise for the market there. For the remainder of the day, the pound really traded sideways to lower, the market coming back because there was no imminent threat, and there we go. And then it was a case of moving on to the Dow at 230, market opening and moving sideways. We then had a sell signal which managed to trade down to the actual scalp, and then as ever the same pattern, down, bring the market back. We want the market on the highs. We saw the market turn around, and it was brought back. No surprise there whatsoever, because that's been the pattern for a very, very long time now. Prices then traded sideways. We go into the evening session, and just before I go on to this again, and I keep saying this as well, if you made money in the pound in the morning, made money in the Dow in the first part of the afternoon, you don't need to trade the evening session. If you made a profit, you've made a profit, because as you'll see here, the market was sideways. The sell order is filled. The market then comes back. They want the market on the upside. Not only that, but we had Carney speaking also here at 9 PM, and all central bankers want the markets up, keep the illusion alive that everything is fine. So then we see the buy side filled there, and the market moving higher, and you'll see just before he comes to speak, the market comes back down. No surprise there. But if we go to the right chart, we have a look at the overnight. Let me just bring this in a bit more. You can see there that the market came back and then continued to move higher as he spoke there. In the daily chart of the Dow, you can see the market heading back to the all-time highs in the overnight session. They're going to keep moving this market. The next upside target is going to be 21,500. That's where the market's going to, and it's not that far away. It's only 108 points away as well. And on the pound daily, let's have a quick look at that as well. You can see you've got the market in a bit of a sideways range at the moment. Again, the uncertainty with May and the deal with the DUP is going to weigh on this market, so it could be fairly sideways today, given that it's Friday, end of the week as well. News wise, what have we got to move the markets today? Let's just have a look. There's nothing for the pound. The US starts off at 130, and the only one we've got is we've got pre-lim UM consumer sentiment out. We've also got building permits out, but that's before the market opens, and they're wheeling out one of the Fed people today. Kaplan speaks at 5:45, but again, medium impact news item there. And on the implied volatility, this starting to move higher. We've got 527 for Wednesday, 873 for Friday, and Tuesday 811. So you can see we're starting to move up. There's a bit of movement in this market. They're pricing in some sort of risk, i.e. the market's going to move higher, probably go to 21,500, and then we'll see some profit taking coming into the market, and they're just sort of starting to show signs that that may be the game plan here. Right, well, that's it for today. It's short and to the point, nothing else. The usual news is the same, that the bad news still continues in the background, and the Fed want to continue raising rates. Bizarre, but there you go. That's central banks for you. They don't know what they're doing. They've created the mess, and at some point it's going to unravel as well. Right, that's it. If there's anything to report during the day, I will do. Other than that, have a great weekend, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.